Shoot. Nice.
Eliminated!
Nice, you win a token.
Yay! Hi, I'm Z. Today we are headed to the Hamptons, or the Hamptons general area, the east coast tip of Long Island. I've never been before, and I've always wanted to go to that area because I've seen it a lot in movies. You know, everyone's going to the Hamptons during the summer, and I've never been a huge beachy person, but I love small towns. So today we are going to rent a car, which is why it's so early right now. I'm literally watching the sunrise. We got up today at 4:30 a.m. and I'm just getting ready right now because our friend is arriving in like 10 minutes. And we're gonna go to the car rental place, pick up the car, and get an early start into the day. To me, this feels like the perfect summer day in New York though, because I just love getting out of the city. I've never been a huge city person, even though I've lived in one for the past 7 years. I feel like that's mostly for the career and the friendships, but really if I could choose, I would live somewhere in a small town where I knew everyone as a local and had like my special spots. I genuinely think that that would be my dream life. So yeah, our friend is coming very soon. Let's have an amazing day together, and I'm so happy that you're coming along. Okay, let's get this day started. We have our car. Charging our car. So we just stopped by Walmart and I found this super cute top, and I don't know, I thought I would get it, so yeah. Apparently I'm supposed to say that it's not a road trip without a Walmart run. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, the proportions of this dog are insane.
So cute.
at the goat farm right now. They make goat cheese here, and I'm so excited to try some. So we're about to head out to meet Viv and Lisa, and we are going to the Noguchi Museum. I've wanted to go for the longest time now, but it's up in Queens, so we just haven't had the time to go out and like make it out there. But today we are making the effort, and we're gonna go see the Noguchi exhibition. I want to see all the lanterns and also see some of his other work as well, because I'm not that familiar with it. So super excited for that, and also just to be indoors because today is a little bit rainy. So yeah, adding on to the New York tour. Okay, so I just got back from the Noguchi Museum and I bought a lamp. So I thought I would unpack it with you guys so we can put it up in the flat together. I have here the lamp itself, and I believe this little box has the instructions of how to put it together. So let's take a look. I bought the one that has a slightly more wonky look to it because I don't really like it when it's too perfect. I feel like the ones that are too perfect you can kind of find dupes for really easily on Temu or Facebook Marketplace. So I just wanted to get something that was a little more unique. Okay, this is taking me so long to take off, so let me catch you when I open it. Ta-da! So she's just in a little bag. It really is just such simple packaging, which makes sense because it's just a paper lamp. Okay, I think we got it. I just have to screw this on. That actually was a lot harder than I expected. At first I thought it was going to be super easy, and then I realized that I had to attach the lampshade, and that was where everything got a little hard. I'm just putting the light bulb in here right now. We should see how it looks. So I'm just going to find a random plug point and we'll give it a go. And then if it works, we'll put it where it's supposed to be. Wow! That's so cute. So it's just gonna look like that. It has a little irregular shape. Super cute.
Wow, that's so cool.
Let's put it in its designated spot now. So we currently have this empty space over here, and I think this will be perfect for where we want it to go.
We're at the Chinatown ice cream factory. What'd you get, Viv?
I got a lychee rose soda float.
Is it good?
It's very good. It's kind of mild, but it's good.
We have pandan and danta. It's very delicious and very creamy. We are headed to a supper club today. My brother's girlfriend actually recommended it to us because she's Vietnamese and she's been following the supper club for a while, or just any of the events that the chef is doing. And I'm so excited because Vietnamese food actually ties for me with Chinese food, which is my mother, I guess, heritage cuisine. And Vietnamese food just does something for me because it really encompasses all of the flavors of sweet, salty, sour, spicy. Like, they know how to do it all and have them all harmonize together so well. So very excited for that. I think it's gonna be like 3 or 4 course and I'm so excited to eat. I haven't eaten very much today. And yeah, I will show y'all all the food that we eat because you know the camera has to eat first. And I think it's just gonna be a really nice evening because I just hit 1K on YouTube yesterday, so it kind of feels like we're celebrating a little bit. And yeah, I will show y'all my outfit before I head out and then have a wonderful evening of food. So what are you wearing?
What am I wearing? I'm wearing a Sandro button shirt. I'm wearing the Saint Laurent pants that we got at the outlet. I'm wearing my white Valentino shoes.
Cute.
Then I have the Margiela necklace and the Margiela ring.
From the right.
So hyped.
The tables aren't quite ready.